Okay, so this is problem 10.3.58, and they ask us how many cards must be drawn without replacement from a standard deck of 52 to guarantee that 11 of the cards will be of the same suit. All right, so with this problem, you have to think somewhat systematically about what's happening here. And so if we're trying to get 11 cards of the same suit, let's just start with 4 cards as a for instance. So let's say I've drawn 4 cards from the deck. There's some potentials here of what could happen. I could have just 1 card of each suit, right? So maybe I have hearts and I have diamonds and spades and clubs. And amongst those 4 cards, I could have 1 of each. I could have a combination of maybe a couple of hearts, a couple of diamonds, or I could have all 4 hearts or something like that. As you build this up, let's think about what happens, because what we want to get to is a place where it's inevitable. They're using the word guarantee here, that we're going to actually get 11 cards. So if I move up to, let's say, 40 cards, if I have 40 cards, the most minimal way that this could be represented evenly amongst these 4 different suits is I could have 10 of each suit. And, you know, it's a potential that this already could have been satisfied, right? That what they're wanting, 11 cards of one suit. That could start to be satisfied when you've drawn 11 cards, but there's no guarantee, because if I draw 11 cards, then it's a potential just like this that it could be split up evenly, you know. So maybe if I've drawn 11 cards here, you know, maybe I have 3 here and 3 there and 3 there, and that's 9 and 10, 11, and maybe I have 2 there. I could have all 11 in one suit, but there's no guarantee. So we have to move all the way up to there being 40 cards to guarantee that at the bare minimum we're looking at this situation if it's divided up evenly. That means when we go to the 41st card, no matter what it is, it's going to move one of these suits over into 11 cards of the same suit. So it would actually take 41 cards for us to be able to guarantee that 11 cards would be of the same suit. And so there's no combination, permutation, basic counting law, none of that in this problem. It's just a matter of thinking about what has to happen in order for this situation that they're requiring to occur.